Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dylan from the AK team. For those of you who don't know me, I've been helping build, scale, and support pavement maintenance businesses across North America for the last 10 years. Judd and I have been working on something exciting over the last few months that I wanted to share with you. So let's talk about striping. Now, quick qualifier, if you're already fully established in striping and have everything dialed in, this probably isn't for you. But if you've been thinking about adding line striping to your business, or you're looking for a practical way to get started in the industry, this is absolutely for you. Line striping is a massive opportunity. It's compliance driven, it's simple to operate, it needs to be done regularly, and it's approved fast. Because of that, I want to personally invite you to a free 60-minute live workshop that we're hosting. In the session, we're going to walk through how line striping actually works as a business. Where do you find the jobs? How do you price the projects? And how do you sell it professionally? And what do the numbers look like behind the scenes? We'll also be sharing some resources and giving away a few things live that are going to help you take action. So if this is something that you're interested in as a solo operator or with you and your small crew, hit the link below, register, and join us live. We'll see you there.